So we're back with another 1-minute video to show you a quick little tip about your Fire Stick. So you ever notice you start to move around at the top, you get that annoying clicking sound? You can probably hear it a little bit in the background. Okay, well, there's an easy way to get rid of that. So the first thing I want you to do is move over to Settings. Go to Settings. And then I want you to move over and go to Displays and Sounds and click that option. Move down a couple till you get to Audio. Select Audio. And you want to go to Navigation Sounds and click Off. And guess what? You have disabled those annoying sounds. You will not be forced to listen to any more clicking noises. So if we go back here and I stop talking, you can hear there are no clicks. Enjoy.